Off the top, the suspect in the stabbing of Fall River's former mayor is back in court just a day after his arraignment. And we're hearing from the psychologist who just examined him. Hello again, everybody. I'm Gene Valicenti.
Good evening. I'm Patrice Wood. Meanwhile, former Mayor Will Flanagan continues to recover after being stabbed. NBC 10's Molly Levine heard all of the doctor's recommendations for the suspect. She's live in Fall River. Molly?
Well, the doctor says based on the police report, court documents, the criminal history, as well as a 40-minute interview with Corree Gonzales, she says he needs further evaluation. 31-year-old Corree Gonzales in a Fall River courtroom for the second day in a row, this time going before the judge after a competency hearing with a psychologist.
Based on his documented history as well as his presentation during the interview today, I am recommending further evaluation of his competence to stand trial.
Gonzales is accused of stabbing the former mayor of Fall River, Will Flanagan, near the cannabis dispensary he owns on Hartwell Street Monday evening. The current mayor, Paul Coogan, called it a random act of violence, and when we asked Bristol County DA Thomas Quinn if it was a targeted attack,
that's unclear at this point, and again, my comments are going to be limited. That's part of the ongoing investigation.
Gonzales faces 4 counts of assault and battery on a police officer, and although it wasn't read aloud in court, the DA tells us he's being charged with armed assault with attempt to murder and assault and battery by means of a dangerous weapon causing serious injury in relation to Monday's stabbing. Gonzales is being held without bail, without prejudice, and will have to spend at least 20 days at Bridgewater State Hospital for more evaluation. This isn't Gonzales' first competency hearing. He's had them before, as he has a lengthy criminal record with a number of assault and battery charges dating back years.
Can you explain to us how someone like Corree Gonzales can maybe, I don't know, slip through the cracks, so to say? His criminal record is pretty lengthy.
Well, again, I don't really want to comment on that. That might be a comment for another time. I would just say that each case and each situation is different. When you say slip through the cracks, you know, someone hypothetically who has a long record, it can be concerning that there's a repetitive nature of it, but you know, dealing with each one of the matters, whether it's him or somebody else, has to be viewed in light of the specific facts of that case.
And after that hearing, the DA also said that Gonzales went upstairs to Superior Court to be arraigned on a separate, unrelated matter that had to do with his mother. I'm live in Fall River, Molly Levine, NBC 10 News.